Hello, today we're going to make a giant inch out of this 2x4. For this project, you're going to need some index cards, some small screws, some small washers, and some binder clips. I also made up this handy dandy chart right here that shows 64ths of an inch and all the decimals and everything. Yeah, it took me about an hour to make up this chart yesterday. So we found the center of our 2x4 right at 4 feet. Take my tape measure like this and put 32 inches right at the center like that. And we're going to draw a line on each inch. I should say we're going to start drawing lines from 64 inches down to 0. So we have our first line going completely across the board, and we have our last line going completely across the board, marking the whole numbers. And then at ½ an inch, I drew a 2½ inch long line. Now we marked off our 1/4 inches with a 2-inch line like that. I have an 1.5 inch line marking off my 1/8 of an inch. Alright, I have 1-inch lines marking all of my 16ths. I have 3/4 inch long lines marking all of my 32nds. I marked all my 64ths with a ½ an inch line the whole way down. So now we got all 64 lines on here. And now it's time to install our binder clips. But I tell you what, for about $5 invested into this project, this is a hell of a lot of work. Alright, we have all of our binder clips in place, and now we're cutting the cards that we're going to stick on them. These index cards are 5x3, so what we're going to do, cut this 1.5 inches, just like this. Come over here, 2½ inches, just like that. Let it fall. Take this. 2½ inches, just like that. Now we just gotta take all these fractions and decimals and write them on these cards, and just take all our fractions and decimals and stick them on the big inch. Anyway, you get the idea of what I'm doing here. Well, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and next time we're gonna make a video and I'm gonna see if I could stick all 64 of these cards on there in 1 minute and 30 seconds.